Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial how to do stencil. Now I'm gonna do this on this picture. This picture is very old and as you see it's got a lot of imperfection. She's Lida Cadet by the way, and I need this because I wanna do a tattoo for her. That's why I got other tattoos, but I wanna do this now. So first of all, hopefully your image will be not as bad, not as old, and not as full of this imperfection. Anyway, all you will have here is this one, and it will say background, and it will have a lock here. All you have to do is double click and press OK. Done that. After you've done that, I'm going to duplicate layer, and this is the image you have to work. You want to work to, because of course you can work on the original one, but you will not have it saved there after. So after you do this, I'm going to filter up there into the filter and filter gallery up here, and go to, you can skip this, but I recommend you do this. So poster edges, and then play with these things however you want to do it, however your image is, and however you feel better doing this. I choose 1010, and of course posterize. You will see that it change here. See, it changes. So I chose the last one because this works better on me. After doing that, you have to desaturize your image adjustments, and desaturize, or you can just click directly click the posterize here, whatever feels better for you. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you the way I do it. After that, you're gonna go to threshold and choose the level. Now, okay, let me do this again so you will see better. So I just zoomed in, image adjustment and threshold, so you can work something that feels better for you. Now I'm gonna skip this because I already did mine. This is the one I work with. After you do this, you go to the image. Of course you will have this one, you won't have all these others. You will have only this. Go to that and just press this one, which means new layer. Open a new layer, create a new layer, create that. Go to base tools right here, and here you will have the lasso. Just right click and choose polygonal lasso, zoom, and just do this around the contours you want to highlight. It don't have to be very perfect around it, because it's a stencil. That's the beauty of it. So then after doing that, you will have to paint. Go to the black color. You just have to do this and just click over it, and there you go. As you see, you will have the eyebrow. After that, I'm going to show you now how to do the eye. Alright, I'm going to show you why you need this too. Okay, so just go around the eye, because the eye is normally round. It's not that full circle, but it's round. Then you will have to, after you select the whole eye, or some other stuff that you have in your own in your image, and then go to this one and select this one. After that, you remove the white part, the part that you don't want to be black actually, just normal parts that you want to leave white. After that, you can select difference. Alright, and this I have this now. And then after you've done that, go to paint and just click over it, and you will see you will have an eye. And you go around and do your image just like this. I've done mine. I'm going to show you now. This is what I've done. I did the Kalashnikov in the same way, just put it there. And I did two of them. I did one, and I did this other one. And I think this one actually is the best one. And I think this I'm going to use, but I'm going to print them both and go to my tattoo guy. Everybody who does tattoos, photo tattoos, has their own guy, the same guy. And I'm gonna go to that guy. I don't know, I might add something here. I don't know. I'm gonna go to that guy and tell them which is better, and then gonna do the tattoo there. This was the quick tutorial. Hope you learned something new, and I hope that your work comes out great. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.